I'm trying to review a film here. Wait, there's two of them. Oh shit. Oh, no! No! Hey, so I'm new here. I'm like the new kid, and yeah, I'm going to be reviewing a film called Memento. It's directed by Christopher Nolan, who directed The Dark Knight and Batman Begins. And everyone goes on about The Dark Knight and like how good it is, but I think this film is the best film Christopher Nolan's done. So if you're wondering what like all the fuss is about, you know, because everyone's going on about what a great director he is at the moment, then you should check this film out, because it's like such a clever film. It's kind of told in like reverse order. You have these scenes that are in black and white that are kind of, they're in chronological order, but then in between these scenes of black and white you have scenes that are in colour, and they're going backwards. The film follows a character called Leonard Shelby or something, and basically he has short-term memory loss, so he can't remember, like he'll do something and then like 5 minutes later he'll forget. He can remember everything up until the night his wife was like murdered, and that's what the film's about. He's basically trying to find the person who murdered his wife, but the problem is, like I just said, he can't remember anything, so to store like evidence he has from his investigation, he has to like, I don't know, well, he tattoos stuff on his body so that when he forgets it, he can look at his body and then it'll be there, so he can like follow that clue. But yeah, that's what makes the film interesting, because he has short-term memory loss, he's unsure of who to trust, and so all the characters in the film, you're kind of wondering if they're actually on his side or not, or if they're going to double cross him or something. So yeah, that's a really interesting point of the film. I mean, I guess the plot is quite simple when you look at it like that. It's just, he's just trying to get revenge really, but what makes the film interesting is the way it's told, because it's told kind of, well, it's told in reverse order pretty much, and I've never seen a film told in reverse order before. So that's what makes the film kind of interesting. You know, you have no idea what's happened before, you have no idea how the characters got here, but as the film goes on you find out, you know, why all this is happening, and it's got such a good ending as well. When you watch the ending, you kind of, it's definitely not what you'll expect. It's like, it's just such a good ending. Thanks for watching the video. Sorry if it was rubbish. I'm still getting used to reviewing films, because normally my videos on my own channel are like really stupid and rubbish, but yeah, sorry. So I'm sure I'll be better next week, but yeah, check this film out, and hopefully I'll see you next week.